I live on a farm with about 80 acres. We have a big garden, we have animals. Sometimes it's nice to be away from the city, and I really enjoy it. I have end-stage liver disease. I need a liver transplant. I have portal hypertension. That happens when you have so much scar tissue on your liver that your blood is coming out of your liver high pressure towards your heart. The most important part is keep an eye on your blood pressure. I heard about Teladoc Health from my primary care doctor. Hi, I'm Chantelle, and I'm a Teladoc Health member. My primary care doctor was like, hey, they'll send you a blood pressure monitor so you can keep an eye on your blood pressures. If you're worried about things, you don't have to come in here. You can do it all virtually. Before, I was more managing it about how I felt. If I felt really hot or I felt flushed, I would sit down and stop doing what I'm doing because I wasn't sure if it was my pressure, if I was just overexerted. But having a monitor, I can just hook myself right up and say, okay, is my blood pressure getting too high, or am I just tired, or am I just too hot? It gives me a way to understand, because I do take medications. Medicine is not always 100% the answer. You also have to pay attention to your body. Having something that tells you what your body's doing is super helpful. When you're in liver failure, you don't know how your body's going to work from day to day. And I can get up in the morning and see where I'm starting, and before I go to bed, to know that I can sleep good at night and that I'm good to go. I don't have to track it. They track it for me. It saves all my readings. It will give me a weekly average. It has a whole hub where it says this was your blood pressure every day. So I could look back and see what I was doing. It's really beneficial. I don't have to wait 3 months and take it to her. If she wants to know how I'm doing this week, or if I haven't been feeling good, it's really important to be able to send that to her in between times I get to see her. I really appreciate the services, and really most people don't think about their blood pressure. They go to the doctor and the doctor says, oh, your blood pressure is high. Most people don't even know what that means. If you do preventative measures and get to know your numbers and what affects your body, then you feel safer in your own body.